Welcome. If you're tired of your phone vibrating every time Dropbox sends a notification and want to turn off that vibration without muting the entire alert, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple and updated steps to stop Dropbox notifications from vibrating on your phone. First, start by opening your phone settings. This is where you control all the app preferences, including notifications and sounds. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps and tap on it. App settings give you control over each application installed on your device. Next, scroll through your list of apps until you find Dropbox and tap on it. This brings you to the app-specific settings, where you can customize how Dropbox interacts with your device. From the Dropbox app options, select Notifications. Within Notifications, you'll see a variety of options, but you need to tap on Notification Categories. This is crucial because Dropbox categorizes its notifications to help you manage them individually based on their importance or type. Now you'll see a list of notification categories related to Dropbox. Find and tap on Default. This category controls the general notifications you receive from Dropbox. Here's the final step. Simply look for the option labeled Vibrate and toggle it off. By turning off Vibrate, your phone will still show notifications from Dropbox but without any vibration. This is perfect if you want to stay informed silently or don't want the buzzing to interrupt your day, and that's it. By following these straightforward steps, phone settings, apps, Dropbox, notifications, notification categories, default, and flipping off Vibrate, you've successfully disabled vibration for Dropbox's default notifications. Now, your device will only alert you with sound or visual cues depending on your other settings. Thanks for watching, or